Haven't you heard? I don't really wanna go. It is ending. That's what you have always wanted. Thank you for being part of my life, but now I have to go. You're finally free. If you notice my tone is different, I'm sorry.